How are you?
I'm okay.
You've seen the list of those who signed, ma'am?
Oo.
Marami doon, mga inaalam, mga kumpare, mga nangyaring support sa inyo.
What's the application?
Sabi kasi, ito lang daw basahin ko.
Marami daw ina-accept na yun. So, how are you preparing for this?
We've already started preparing the moment Franz Castro announced the impeachment plan, which was November of 2023. So November of 2023, there were already lawyers doing their work for the impeachment. So we leave it to the lawyers.
Resignation is not an option. Resignation is not an option.
Wala pa tayo doon, ma'am. Masyado pang malayo yung mga ganyan na mga bagay. Nandun pa lang tayo sa pagbabasa ng actually, ma'am, wala pa tayo doon dahil yung mga abogado lang yung nagtatrabaho. Hindi ko talaga alam kung anong ginagawa nila. But I am a meeting with them.
The president said he has nothing to do with the impeachment.
I do not want to answer that question. Next?
Ma'am, confirm po ba na si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte isa sa mga abogado niyo para sa impeachment case?
I do not want to answer that question. Yes, ma'am.
Makikita niyo po ba na may hamaling tulad ng sinusunod ng bansa sa 1984 ni George Orwell?
I do not want to answer that question. Last.
Last question.
Paniwala ko lang, no, if you have to explain or defend your signature in a yes petition for impeachment, then you feel that you have done something wrong. Kasi kung wala ka namang ginawang mali, bakit mo defend yung firma mo?
Ma'am,
Paniwala ko.
ma'am, naniniwala po ba kayo na may gumalaw po for the impeachment? May gumalaw po na parang money po?
I do not want to answer that question.
How will you be endorsing senators, lalo na po sa PDP slates, especially that may possibility na mag-overlap yung two trials sa next mountain?
Hindi pa namin nagpapag-usapan kung ano yung gagawin ko for the upcoming campaign and election. Pero masabi ko na noon na patuloy yung trabaho namin, and isa sa mga trabaho namin ay gusto namin tumulong sa Commission on Elections in voter education, particularly yung wag mo ibenta yung boto mo, wag gumamit ng dahas during campaign and election day, yung mga ganun.
Ma'am, paano kayo lang po sa ating mga kababayan sa nangyayari po ngayon sa ating bansa?
Yes, sabi ko na kanina sa statement ko sa ating mga kababayan na patuloy na sumusuporta, nagmamahal, nagdarasal, napakahalaga nun, ay manalig lang sila dahil sa taong bayan ang tagumpay.
Bibi, anong nag-blooming dapat ang sunod na?
Naano na akadri sa Manila na taga-Davao mo ka? Yes, sir.
Ma'am, sabi niyo po late last year pa lang nagpe-prepare na kayo para dito. Pwede kong i-brief na kung right now po after i-transmit sa Senate, saan na po yung preparation niyo? May legal team na po ba and nasa ano?
Well, nag-meeting kami mamayang hapon dahil nag-meeting sila kahapon. Hindi ako sumali. So, merong briefing, legal briefing mamaya ang mga lawyers. So, I will know more this afternoon.
Ma'am, can you name some of the prominent members of your
Makikita nila yan pagpasok nila ng kanilang entry of appearance.
Ma'am, tuloy po ang trabaho kahit may pinaghahandaan po kayo.
Yes sir. Opo. Kakatapos lang po ng planning conference ng Office of the Vice President. So we did it last Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday para po sa 2025 and 2026.
So for 2025, may mga maapektuhan ba na programs ng OVP?
Yes, nag-announce na kami no, na wala kaming food and wala kaming burial and medical assistance dahil tinanggal yung line na yun sa budget. So, hindi ka na pwede maglagay ng budget doon.
How about the other programs now?
Tutuloy siya.
Ma'am, how confident are you that you won't be convicted in the impeachment court?
Wala pa tayo. Masyadong pang malayo yan, ma'am. Wala pa tayo. Hindi pa natin inaano yan. Na-assess na yan.
But you are number one for impeachment. Have you talked about
Nagtanong ka na ba?
Yes.
Kanina? Sige.
You said before na you're serious considering to run for 2028. Now na may impeachment na, are you more decided to run in 2028?
Okay. So, wala pa tayo dyan. Wala pa tayo dyan. But, nasabi ko naman di ba, paulit-ulit kung we are seriously considering that. But it's difficult to decide without numbers. So, kailangan malaman yung surveys and numbers. Sa next year pa yun.
Pero sa tingin nyo ba, ma'am?
So, nagtanong ka na? So,
But what are you concerned na yung possible consequence that you can be disqualified from public office kung magkaroon na ng conviction?
yes, sir. Oo. Alam ko po yung penalties ng impeachment. And the moment na nag-resign ako sa Department of Education, before ako nag-resign sa Department of Education, pinag-isipan ko na lahat yan.
Sa ngayon ba, masasabi ninyo na lalo pa kayong nainganyo na ituloy ang pagtakbo sa 2020 presidential election?
Nasagot ko na ata yung kanina sa question ni Sir na nakaitim.
Ma'am, number one in the articles of impeachment was your assassination threat to the president. Do you regret making that statement last night?
I did not make an assassination threat to the president. Sila lang nagsasabi niyan. Sila lang nagsasabi may assassination. Sila nagsasabi may assassin, may gunman. I'm not say that.
Guys, last time, tinanong ko kayo if confident kayo sa numbers ng House, and sabi nyo, if hindi kayo confident, and nagkatotoo nga, ngayon sa Senate, you said na parang meron kayong confidence sa mga senador. So, ngayon, how do you feel about that? Do you still feel confident with the numbers in the Senate?
Ang dali naman. Kailan ko sinabi yung may confidence ako sa numbers sa Senate?
Sit down.
Ano exact na sinabi ko? Sorry I cannot remember the exact words that I used.
Parang medyo confident kayo with regards sa Senate, sa mga friends and allies.
Unlike me, kung magsasabi ng ganyan ba, but I need I will answer that next
Pero how do you
time.
feel now sa Senate? Postpone, supposedly you received nila yung impeachment complaint the other day, pero nag-close sila kagad because of the last session.
Well, that is their prerogative as a body, no? So, they will have to respect the Senate kung ano yung desisyon nila. Dahil sila yung mga nandoon sa loob.
So far, you feel assured about your allies in the Senate?
We haven't talked. I have not talked to my friends in the Senate. Wala.
Last question, please.
Baka may message mo kay Senator Ivy?
Bakit?
Sabi lang muna siya kung impeachment daw po.
Bakit kaya? Maybe we should ask. Maybe we should ask her first. Bakit niya i-block yung impeachment?
Ma'am, how do you feel po? Sabi ni Bibi, hindi niya supportado yung impeachment. Pero number one na, unang-unang pumirma yung anak.
Was insulted actually.
Kasi sabi, ito lang babasahin ko. Ang daming nagbabantay sa gilid.
Nausap ko na ba yung father niyo after your impeachment?
Wala pa. But nagpadala ako ng message through sa kanyang assistant and sinabi ko na ano ba sinabi ko? Hindi ko maalala. I think I said everything will be alright. Yan ata ang sinabi ko. His reply was a song. MacArthur's Park. So, nagpadala siya ng video na kumakanta siya.
Ma'am,